Well, I am on my way to Harbour Breton. I just noticed I always say, well, when I start my videos. I don't know, man. Being on camera is always such a hard thing to figure out how to talk properly. But anyways, I was going to go to Cape St. Mary's today, but it's about a 5-hour hike and not necessarily something I want to do on my own. So I am just going to head down to the south coast. I've never been down to the south coast of Newfoundland, so I'm going to head down there and then see what I can get up to around there. I know there's some little cute villages, and I mean, you can't beat being on the ocean. So, and Bay Despair Highway is what goes all the way down there, and I'm open to see. I mean, I could see moose, caribou, bear, all kinds of stuff on this specific highway down to the coast. So that's what I'm up to today. Tara made it home safe and sound yesterday, and I am making my way down south. I cannot wait until I have my Downhome Expeditions up and running to be able to show people Newfoundland. I want to show you all of the little ins and outs, little villages on the way up to Twillingate, on the way up to Bonavista. There's just so much culture, so much wildlife, so much beauty to be seen in this amazing province that I call home, even though I don't live here right now. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy all of the little videos that I'm putting out. It's all about the photography, it's all about the traveling, it's all about the journey, it's all about mental health, creative outlets, and just bringing people with me on the journey. So if you're here because you enjoy it, give a like and a comment and a follow and a share. I know you hear that from every single content creator. I'm a professional photographer, a guide, husband, father to two, just looking to earn an income. And surprisingly, just by engaging with the content, I get little checks from Facebook and Meta for $10, $15 here and there every couple of weeks or every month. So the more engagement I get, the more comments and shares and likes, the more it drives me to the algorithm, and the more my income goes up to be able to chase this dream, and not just for traveling and not just for myself to see the world, but to take you with me and to show you the wildlife and to show you the cultures and the communities and the people and and then wrap it up into an awareness piece of protecting our natural environment and shining a spotlight on conservation. But at the same time, I got to start just putting stuff out for you folks to enjoy, and what brings you interest, and we'll enjoy the journey together. So take care, everybody. That's my little 4.5 minute rant for this lovely Monday in South Central Newfoundland. Cheers.